Grade 6 girls, please turn to page number 375. Please turn to page 375. We will start with lesson 7.4. Identify parts of expression. Identify parts of expression. If I share a whiteboard and if I write an expression here, tell me any expression. Vatin, tell me any expression.
Wait,
Any plus or minus anything.
11
11 plus
6.
6. Okay. See, when you say 11 plus 6, this cannot become expression. You have to write any letter. Tell me what is 6. 6 what? 6x or 6y or 6z.
Yeah, miss, I'm saying X.
Okay, I'm sorry. I did not hear you. 2y plus 3. Now, what is this x? X is called a variable. What is it? It's called as variable.
Variable.
Okay, and what is this 6? This is called, see, whenever you say 7y or 6x or anything, this 7y, y is the variable, 7 is the coefficient. So y is the variable, 7 is the coefficient. Okay? Now the question will be, what is this coefficient here? You will say 7y. Like example, if it's 2y plus 3, you will not say 3 is the variable or v is the, sorry, 3 is the coefficient. Coefficient has to be next to the, next means there must be no plus and y here in between. So what is the variable here? Sorry, what is the coefficient here? 2 is the coefficient. Did Malak join?
No.
Okay. 7z plus 5y plus 3. So z and y, they are called as variables. And 7 and 5, they are called as coefficient. What is it called? Coefficient. And if I say 7z, 7z means it is nothing but product of 7 and z. 7 and z. So in this lesson, we have to identify parts of fraction. We have to identify parts of fraction. Vatin, did you bring your books?
Miss, yesterday my dad go and he paid, and then no one answered to him.
Did he knock the door?
No, he just called the teacher, and no one called him.
Khalas, I will talk to Miss Wala. Why didn't you message Miss Wala that time?
Because my dad wasn't with me and he didn't call me.
Ah, we are sorry for that, Vatin. Allah. Okay, so do you want me to message Miss Wala regarding this? Or no, he will go again today?
I think, yeah, he's going today again.
Okay. Let me know if they don't answer or something like that, okay?
Okay.
Maybe if I was on Wednesday, I would have given the books. Because I'm supposed to give grade 6. Anyways. Please, can you read out the first question?
Yeah.
Gardening store.
At the gardening store, seed packets cost $2 each. Martin bought 6 packets of lettuce seeds and 7 packets of pea seed.
Okay.
The expression.
Hmm.
The expression is 2 multiply 6 plus 7 represents the cost in dollars of Martin's seed. Identify the parts of expression, then write a word expression for 2 multiply 6 plus 7.
Simple, girls. Why am I multiplying the number each type of packet by the cost per packet? See, you usually multiply, like example, if it is 3 Galaxy chocolate, each of 5 real, you will multiply 3 times 5, right? So you have to multiply the number of each type of packet by the cost. You will always multiply the number with the cost of the packet to know the real price. Example, see, you
2 multiply 7.
2 multiply 6 plus 7. Why 6 plus 7? Because they say that each packet is $2. And there are how many packets? 6 plus 7 packets. 6 plus 7, that is 6 lettuce and 7 pieces. They did not talk about anything about X and Y. So leave that. Now, what is the relation? 6 plus 7 is addition, and 2 and 6 plus 7 is the product. Multiplication, we also have multiplication, we also have addition. The part in the parenthesis shown is, in the parenthesis, what is it shown? Inside the parenthesis, 6 plus 7. Is it addition or subtraction? Sum or plus? Sum.
Addition.
Sum. Sum of 6 and 7. The sum represents the number of packets of lettuce and packet of pea. The sum represents the number of packets of lettuce seeds plus the number of packets of pea seeds. Am I correct?
Yeah.
And one of the factor is 2. The other factor is the sum of 6. One is 2 and the other is sum of 6 and 7. The project represents the cost and the number of each packet in Martin bought. Just try to complete this page. Vatin, you can just write the page number and write all these. When your book comes, you can fill it up, okay?
Okay.
Or if you want, I will send you again. No worries. Come on. Vatin.
Okay, Miss, this is page what?
My dear, this is page number 360 something. I'll tell you. 375. Write down better. Question number
Yeah.
375. Write down. Multiply the number of each type of packet by the cost.
Miss, can you go down?
Sure. Did you write this much?
Yeah.
Finished?
Yeah, Miss, I'm done.
Okay. Next page, page 376. If I ask you 2x plus 8, first of all, terms of expression. You have sums of how many terms? There are how many terms? This is one term. See, this is one term. This is one term and this is one term. So there are two terms. The terms are 2x and 8. 2 is the variable, sorry, 2 is the coefficient and x is the variable. In the second term, the number is 8. Is this very clear? There are two terms, 2x and 8, in which 2 is the coefficient, x is the variable, 8 is the number. Did you understand?
Okay. Yeah, 2 is
Yeah.
the quotient,
Yes.
x is the variable, 8 is number.
Yes. Now, the first term, 2x, if I ask you to describe 2x, what will you say? It is product of 2 and x. See, first thing, you will say number of terms. I told you number of terms. There are two terms. Okay, there are two terms. Second thing, you will tell about coefficient, variable, and then this is the number. Then you will tell about between 2 and x, what is the relation? It is the product of 2 and x. Did you understand this? Can I go to next question?
Yeah.
Simple, very
Yeah,
simple
Miss.
words. Okay, now let me ask you. Leen, are you listening? Leen? Maybe there is some issue of the mic. Okay, Vatin, can you explain this?
Yeah, Miss.
Tell by your own. Don't see this, just say by your own what you learned.
It's in 3a. So 3 is the quotient and a is the variable.
Okay, first of all, tell me how many terms are there? There are
3.
two terms. 1 and 2. There are two terms. And the expression is difference. It is
Yeah.
sum. Three. It is difference of two terms. And what are the terms? What are the terms? 3a and
4a and 4b.
b. Now say me about the coefficient.
Okay. So 3 and Miss. So
Just say 3 is the coefficient, a is the variable.
a variable.
And 4 is the coefficient.
Yeah. And here is minus, not plus.
Difference, minus, correct? The coefficient and b is the variable.
Yeah, and the
whole
expression is
the difference between two terms. The whole expression is the difference between two terms.
two terms.
Okay. Did you write? Did you write, girls? The B one? Write down B. Did you write A or no?
Yeah, Miss.
Let's write down B.
So, Miss, we don't write A or we write it?
You have to write. You have to write A and B both.
No, we didn't.
I'll show you in a minute. Finished?
Yeah, Miss.
All right. Let's go to another one. Now, yesterday also I told you when you see division, you will write 9 divided by 3 is nothing but the quotient of 9 and 3. One factor of the multiplication is 7 and the other factor is 9 divided by 3. Word expression, the product of 7 and the quotient of 9 and 3. Just write question 1, girls. The second I'm going to explain you. As you know, this expression is the addition sum of two terms in which phi, the first term, is the product of 5 and m, where phi is the coefficient and m is the variable. The second term is the product of 2 and n, where 2 is the coefficient and n is the variable. What is the word expression? The sum of phi times m and 2 times n. In the second question, just write the last line. This line, girls. The sum of just the last line. Finished?
No, Miss, wait. Okay, Miss, I'm done.
Yeah. This one you can do later, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in the copybook. Just orally we will see. And 7, you will know that K, these are the expression of difference. K is the, they said, give the coefficient of each term. K and 1 over 3D, these are the terms. What are the coefficient? For K, there is nothing beside it, so coefficient is 1. For D, what is the coefficient? 1.
1/3.
Yeah, what are the terms? 0.5x,
0.5.
2.5y. What are the coefficient for x? It is 0.
0.5.
And for y, it is 2.
2.5.
Y is just only 2.5. So, did you understand this lesson perfectly?
Yeah, Miss.
That's it. Put 9 cross mark. We're not going to do it.
Okay.
And then you can do your homework. If you get your book, Vatin, please complete your homework, okay?
Okay. Miss, can we just go to page 376 because I just want to be sure from something.
All right, my dear.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Miss, I'm done. I just want to be sure from something.
Lean, even if your mic is not working, I want you to write on the chat box what is it, the response, because it's like I just taught Vatin today. I feel like that. Okay, Lean? Please at least write down even if your mic is not working. Or you can WhatsApp. Take care and have a nice day, my dear. See you in the science class.